for you.
Why?
Why? Because anybody under 6 has to wear them. And because it makes you look cool. Alrighty, Brad, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, fingers, paddles inside until Bella tells you otherwise. Parents, please watch your kids. And have fun.
Until they tell us.
Until they tell us to, okay?
You're doing so good though, honey.
Howdy folks, how we doing today? Yay! Oh, we had some outside participation. That's cool. They're louder than you guys were. That's crazy. They're not even on the ride. What? All right. Are you guys ready to paddle?
Oh yeah.
I can't hear you. Are you guys ready to paddle? Yeah! Everybody put your paddles up. We're gonna get our inside hand put it near the fishtail, outside hand near the blade. Blade over the water, not in the partner's face. We're gonna hold the paddle like this, not like this, not like this, but like this. All right, guys. On the count of 3, we're gonna put our paddles in the water and pull the water back. Ready, set, go! Guys, you said on the count of what?
3.
Yeah. I didn't even get to 1.
Oh.
That's okay, guys. Numbers are hard. We'll try colors and shapes next. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, and stroke. 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 Howdy, folks. Welcome to the world-famous Davy Crockett Explorer Canoes. My name is Bella, and I'll be your river guide for the next fun-filled 45 minutes. Woo! That's right. I said fun-filled. In the back steering us to safety is my best friend in the whole wide world, Casey. Everybody say, howdy, Casey.
Howdy, Casey.
Howdy, folks. We're gonna keep that paddling. Everybody listen to Casey. That is our #1 rule of 3 on this canoe is to keep on paddling until I tell you otherwise. This is a real-life canoe. There is no motor. There is no track. So if you don't paddle, we don't skedaddle. If you don't row, we don't.
Go.
Accelerate. Our second rule is no intentional splashing. I don't want to see any of this. This river is a beautiful shade of disgusting. But if it does get on you, make sure to wait 30 minutes before you peel it off. And our third and final rule is please remain seated. There will be no standing. There will be no switching seats. Because if you fall in, I will point and laugh at you. I don't get paid to be a lifeguard. I get paid to be a river guide. So please don't fall in. I'm not going to save you. Neither will Casey, who will also be giving you the princess treatment if you did fall in. I raise my right hand. Casey raises his left. We wave goodbye. Alright, you guys, don't drag your paddles, please. That does slow the boat down, my friend. Alright, do you guys want to go faster? Woo! I can't hear you. Do you want to go faster? Yeah! So paddle faster, guys. Guys, this is a free-floating vessel, not a free-loading vessel. The faster you paddle and harder, the faster we get back. Alright, you guys, go ahead and take a little break. Right over here is my friend Shooting Star. Everybody say hi, Shooting Star.
Hi, Shooting Star.
So Shooting Star is a bit of a philosopher if you didn't know. I'll tell you a story about Shooting Star and his philosophies. So, good story about me and Shooting Star. There was a day that I had a dream that I was in Fantasyland. And it was raining pennies. And I was like, Shooting Star, what does this mean? And he goes, well, I don't know, come back to me tomorrow. So the next day I go back to him. And that same night, I have another dream that I'm in Frontierland and it's raining nickels. And I'm like, Shooting Star, what does this mean? And he's like, Bella, I got it. You're afraid of change. I guess that makes sense. Alright, guys, and right over there, that is my dog, Area. Can anyone tell me why his name is Area? Because he's in the same location. And then right over there is Casey's dog, Location. Can anyone tell me why his name is Location? Because he's in the same... You got it, he's in the same area. Alright, paddles up, give me a few good strokes. And I'll give you guys another break. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2. Guys, I'm only counting the good strokes. That means keep paddling. 2. Guys, I'm not going to get to 3 until you take it get some momentum. 3. We'll we'll go to 5. 4 and 5. Go ahead and pick another break. All right, guys, right over here is what I like to call Disneyland Daycare. You can leave your kids there all day. Just make sure to pick them up before 5, because if you don't, they get shipped over to It's a Small World and they have to sing that terrible, terrible song. It is not a world of laughter, joy, and cheer. I can promise you I would know. That's actually how I got my start with the company, guys. I miss my mom. Yeah, if anyone sees a 5-foot tall person named Betty, tell her that Bella misses her and wants to come home. All right, then right over here we're passing our philosophy tree. We call it the philosophy tree because once we get to this area, you might be having a few questions. And I know those questions. Because I feel you guys, I feel your pain. Those questions are, why did I get on this ride? Why am I doing manual labor on my day off? Why is my river guide so gorgeous? I know, guys, I've read your mind. You guys couldn't even give me a round of applause or anything for that funny joke. If you're not gonna laugh, paddle! Woo! All right, paddles up, guys. And I have a question for you all. But first, we're gonna try something that this canoe has never seen before. It's called paddling together. What is the key word there?
Paddling.
You ruined my joke.
Sorry,
Everyone start paddling.
it was obvious.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Just stroke. Stroke. And smile! Or grit your teeth together in anger. It's what us cast members like to do. You've probably been saying it all day. If you aren't going to smile, just please paddle. Don't embarrass me when we get into full public view, please! I may lose my job if you don't think it looks like a good idea, because this ride is not one. Speaking of, whose good idea was it to get on this ride? Please raise your hand. You're not allowed to pick any more rides for the rest of the day. I'm going to take a seat and help you guys out. Go ahead, hoot, holler, and cheer when we get into full public view.
We did this so fast. So true.
Everyone, look at all the lazy, I mean lovely people.
Lovely people.
They may be lazy, but they're smarter than them. All right, you guys can all stop smiling, keep paddling. All right, we're all out of full public view, guys. And we'll, we're almost done with our first lap of 3. Woo! Yeah, first lap, so we teach you how to paddle. Our second lap is about speed. And our third and final lap, which is my favorite, is when the kids get out and push. Yeah, that's why I make them wear life jackets. We don't have a lot of kids, so I'm going to make you two do it. Alright guys, did you actually know there's a specific measurement we use to measure how fast a canoe's going? It's called knots. I can see we're going about like 5 knots right now. As in 5 of you are not paddling. I feel like we're almost there, guys. I'm just kidding, we're almost done. Like 3 more strokes. the brake! That's not the brake! Sit down! I'm not done yet. I have a poem to tell you all.
Tell it.
I will. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Leave. Sorry, that was rude. Please leave. Guys, that means get out! Like, Dennis, watch your step. Paddles over in the paddle box by the exit.
Keep moving, baby. Keep moving.
Stone gate, stone 3.